Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson 7 of moral science, that is truthfulness. What is truthfulness? Truthfulness means to tell the truth. Okay. How truthful we are to ourselves. First, we must be truthful to ourselves, then only we can be truthful for others and do justice for others. For that, we have to be honest. So, honesty and truthfulness are always rewarded. Through this story, we will come to know how a little boy named George Washington, by his truthful nature, became the first president of the United States of America. Is it? So, where we learn truthfulness? How to be truthful? At school, at home, and everywhere. Who teaches us? Our elders, our teachers. So, one of the most important things that our teachers and parents teach us is to be truthful. So, let's see what we learn from the incident of the life of George Washington. When George was young, he asked for a real axe from his father as a gift. One day his father gave him an axe. Do you know axe? In order to cut wood tree. George was delighted. He was very happy on getting the axe. To try his axe, he ran to the beautiful garden of his home. Without thinking, he cut down a few beautiful bushes and the apple tree. Because he is a child, he doesn't know what to do, so he simply cut it. In the evening, when his father saw his favorite apple tree cut down, he became very angry. He asked who had done the stupid act. Stupid act means this foolish act. George became afraid. He was very nervous on hearing his father's words. But he was a truthful and a brave boy. He thought, whatever the result, I will tell the truth. Truth to whom? To his father. He walked up to his father and told him that he had cut the tree. He promised that he would never do such an act in future. His father was glad to see the truthfulness and fearlessness of his son. He said that he was proud of the honesty of his son, because his father thought he will not tell. But George, in spite of being afraid of the punishment, in spite of being scolded by his father, he told the truth. He did justice to himself and to his father. So George Washington grew up to become the first president of the United States of America. So what does we learn from this story? That it always pays to be truthful. So when he grew up, he became the president of the United States. So one has to have the courage to tell the truth, which George was having. So children, you must also be truthful to yourself. Whatever may be the injustice, or whenever you tell lies, don't tell lies. Lies will come out in future. So people tell lies because they're afraid of punishment, afraid of being laughed at. So what is the key value learnt in the lesson is honesty. So let's come to the exercise part, that is thought of the day. That is truth always triumphs. Means truth always triumphs means it is truth always wins. Okay. So unscramble and jumble the words with the help of the clues given. First use OHENSTY. What is the clue? It is said to be the best policy. So we have unscrambled the jumble words. So honesty, HONESTY. And second one, EGROGEAWINSHGOTN. He was the first president of the USA. So it will be George Washington. First word will be George. Second will be George Washington. XAE. It is a tool used to cut trees, plants, etc. So it will be XAXE. Fill in the blank space. Honesty is the best policy. POLICY. We should always speak the truth. TRUTH. Now C, question number C, take the right choice. You broke a mirror at your home. Would you say sorry to mummy? Keep quiet. Name somebody else for breaking the mirror. So what do? Say sorry to mummy. You lost money. Would you tell a lie? Go and tell your parents the truth. So what should you do? Go and tell your parents the truth. So children, try to be truthful and be honest. Thank you.